Are you tired of frizzy, unruly hair and looking for a natural way to make it smooth and manageable? In today's video, I'll show you an easy, all-natural hair treatment using aloe vera and castor oil that helps nourish, condition, and straighten your hair over time without any harsh chemicals. This aloe vera and castor oil treatment may help smooth and condition your hair, making it soft, frizz-free, and more manageable. Aloe vera deeply hydrates and tames unruly strands, while castor oil nourishes and strengthens, promoting a sleek and healthy appearance. Regular use can enhance natural shine and reduce dryness. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, fresh or store-bought. 1 tablespoon castor oil. Prepare the mixture. In a bowl, mix aloe vera gel with castor oil until it forms a smooth blend. Make sure to mix well until the consistency is even and easy to apply. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes to allow the ingredients to combine fully for better absorption. Apply to your hair. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the mixture evenly from the roots to the tips. Make sure to coat every strand. This ensures your hair is fully covered, allowing the ingredients to work their magic throughout. Focus on areas that tend to get frizzy or dry for the best results. For extra nourishment, gently comb through your hair after applying to distribute the mixture evenly. Massage your scalp. Gently massage for 5 minutes to stimulate blood circulation and promote hair health. This helps in the absorption of nutrients, while also relaxing your scalp. Wash it out. Rinse with lukewarm water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. This helps remove any excess oil and ensures your hair stays clean without stripping its natural moisture. Follow up with a lightweight conditioner to keep your hair soft and hydrated. For best results, avoid using hot water, as it can cause dryness and frizz. Air dry and comb. Let your hair air dry and comb gently to keep it smooth. Combing while your hair is still damp helps avoid breakage and promotes a straightened look. Benefits: aloe vera softens and smoothens hair, reducing frizz. Castor oil strengthens hair, prevents breakage, and promotes shine. And that's it. With just aloe vera and castor oil, you can nourish and smooth your hair naturally. Try this treatment a few times a week, and you'll notice softer, shinier, and more manageable hair over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural